Alright, TTG TV, political, but you should know. Nice little work truck. Ain't bad. Ain't bad at all. Just started it up. Seems like it works. Baby, you see us in there? No, that. I don't like Ford. Ford stands for Found on Road Dead. She nice though. My boss trying to get me to work for this. Do his job for him and whatnot. Get out there and whatnot. So you give me a truck, I got you. TTG TV, political, but you should know. Trying to get this car started. Gassing up. He got truck, work truck. Stop. Already though. With me. Get down. TTG TV. Teaming up with 3J Construction. Can't wait to get out here and start doing these houses for these military owners. Be good soon. Yeah, nice little 2x. I'm about to get down. Yeah. You already know. TTG TV, political, but you should know. Out here with my boy AV, 3J's Constructions. You heard? We out of here, baby. Gassing up. TTG TV, I'm out here riding in this motherfucker, but the transmission keep tripping. We taking it to the shop right now. Yeah, I already know though, but I get it though. You think I'm a bad driver? You think I'm a good, badass driver? Let me put this phone down though, y'all. Can't be out here doing it like this. My work day, trying to get it out. I need to put my headphones in so I can get this thing hands-free before they be done lock me up. I just got my license back. I ain't got the physical form yet though. Goes down in the D. Sweating out here, it's hot. I ain't got no AC in here yet.